Hello traders, my name is Roland and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy, and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
Hello guys, welcome and thank you for choosing my video for trading, for practicing, for learning. So let's get started. Today we're not gonna use any strategies. We're gonna talk about technical analysis, and if you're new in trading, then be sure to watch the video till the end, because this is the basic. You have to know the technical analysis so you could trade without any indicators, or use technical analysis for helping yourself in trading. So technical analysis in general is the main tool, as I said, is the basic for trading in binary options. Unlike trading in the crypto market, there's no fundamental analysis. Charts behavior mostly depend on trades rather than global, informative or news flows. Unlike in today, I'm not gonna tell you about any complicated patterns, formations of technical analysis. Today I'll show you some basic stuff with the help of which you can easily be in profits, having only $100 like me. So we're gonna open our trades on a 1 minute time frame as usual, right? And I guess let's do this. Let's start our trading session, and for this we need to pick a good currency pair, right? For the most profitable trade entry. Carry on the analysis, find the most appropriate rate. We're gonna open positions according to the trend direction, of course. For example, like here, I open a long position, selecting the workspace for you. We're gonna analyze several stages. The first one is this ascending movement, then the small downtrend takes place. Everything is absolutely clear and easy. You can see that on the chart. Then we are gonna analyze the second stage. The support, the support zone played out here. The lucky level has been formed, and also an accumulation, and then there was a bounce. Breaking to the downside didn't happen. That's why we opened the position considering the current uptrend. As you can see, the breakout has already happening right now as predicted. 30 seconds left, and basically I'm good with the candles behavior, good volatility on the chart, and our first trade is in profits. Nice. We got $180. As you can see, just the basic of technical analysis, just the basic knowledge that helps in trading, using which you can also trade. There's nothing special here, as you can see. And let's continue, and let's look for another currency pair so we can open position with a good trend direction, both upward and downward zones. Here it's better not to open position here. Okay, we'll take a look at the other price movements that prevail. Okay, I don't see good trade entry. We should wait for the pullback. I guess here we open a short position, selecting the workspace, right? So we have descending price movement here. The support zone played out from this level. The price has rebounded from it. The price movement started moving down gradually, then a little correction in this area, and one more pullback right here. Tells us that we should open short positions. Local highs and lows have been formed, and after that we can open a position. We already see the breakdown on this particular candle, and after its closing we gonna see the breakdown, and the position should be and a profit, right? So 10 seconds left. Let's just wait. As you can see, the inception of the red candle, that's the good sign for us. However, the volatility is not strong here, and our second trade is in profits. Nice. Okay, pretty easy, pretty easy. We got $351 on our balance, and let's continue our trading. Find another currency pair, of course. Let's see what do we have here. So it's very good trade entry for a long position. I'd say perfect one, guys. I want to point out that this whole trend is ascending. Also, we can point out consistency in the direction. The price is going up intensely. The update of the local high, then the correction. Also, the local low was updated, and we also observe consistency. Now we can see the breakout again, then a little pullback from here, after which the price should go up following the uptrend. That's why we open long, of course. So, and as you can see, the breakout is currently happening. The current candle should be closed and the correction stops on that. Then the price movement should go to the upside following the uptrend. So let's just wait. As you can see, the price started going up according to the trend, exactly as I predicted, and we got $632. Okay, quite good results. As you can see, everything is simple. So let's carry on trading, changing the currency pair, and continue analyzing. For example, here I guess we need to open a short position despite low rate on this currency pair, but it's okay, there is a good descending movement. I also want to point out these two zones, after which the price rejection takes place and then the movement to the downside, and based on that we see a little pullback here. This upper zone did play out, the new local low has been formed, and after this correction, after this pullback, the price should go down. That's why we opened the short position, guys. All the trend starting from this level is descending. Sorry. We already see a good breakdown, good level of trade entry. I like it. We opened exactly at the peak level of the candles movement, and there are 5 seconds left before the climax, of course, and we are in a profit. Nice. A little more than $1,000. Let's put down the maximum amount and continue. Let's carry on. So let's remove this poor rate currency pair. 52% is not gonna work for me. So okie dokie. We can analyze this one. So there is a pullback from this level. Next price goes up. Let's open a long position, and I think we observed the trend reversal here. Early on there was the downtrend. We got to keep that in mind because we see the strong breakdown right after, right here in this zone. And it looks like it's gonna be over soon, and looking at the chart, it really seems to be over an upward direction of the price. We'll be gaining momentum again. The support zone played out here, the local low was formed, the price started going up, then a little correction, which should be over on this candle. That's what I think, guys, and the price movement should go up following the trend, of course. So we'll already see the inception of green candle beside the level of the trade entry. The breakout is happening, and our position has been closed with a profit. Like I said, the breakout has happened, the correction stopped on this candle, and the price movement started going up. So there's no stopping. Here let's find another concept pair for the most promising trade entry, and let's get there. So here's another good trade entry, short position. We already opened positions on this currency pair. The first stage here is a little correction. The resistance zone played out, and then the price goes down. Also, we can call it the accumulation zone. Also here we saw the accumulation zone, the resistance zone also played out here, and the price went to the downside. The lock low point has been formed here, also correction in this zone, which is likely to stop, and the price movement should continue going according to the trend. Should continue going, right? So we have a good trade entry level, guys. Currently low volatility movement prevails, and there are 10 seconds left, around 10 seconds left before the closing, so I guess that's fine, and I don't think that we're gonna see any breakout from here because low volatility. And another trade has been closed with a profit. We got almost $3,000 on our balance. I think to consolidate our gains, we should open several trades to figure out more situations to make your own trading easier, so you can learn from my example. So let's find another currency pair for the most promising. So let's see, what do we got? Let's also open a short position here following the trend direction. This is the same currency pair, and the principle of trade entry is also the same. The resistance level played out here as well as here. The very strong breakdown, and here we see even stronger accumulation takes place, and I think the downtrend should keep on after this movement. So as you can see, the breakdown has already happened. There are literally 26 seconds left before the climax, but we already have a good level of trade entry. The movement, as earlier, has low volatility, and that's good sign for us. Always analyze before you start trading. Analyze the movement on the charts. So, and based on that knowledge, open your own positions. Technical analysis is gonna be a big help for you. That's why I said this is the basic knowledge, guys. And another position is on profit as a proof. So we got almost $4,000 on our balance. I think we should open a final trade to consolidate the result. And for this, we're gonna change the currency pair, of course, for the most profitable trade entry. That's right. So let's take a look here. Now, what's happening on the market? Okay, here is the flat, and I don't want to open it here because it's not clear. All right, what's gonna happen? The accumulation zone is forming, and I have no clue where the price should go. It's better not to take risks, guys, and don't open positions in such cases. So let's continue our analysis, and let's also okay, let's open 3 short positions again on the same currency pair, third time in a row. But I absolutely understand the price movement on this currency pair. The first one is low volatility. Good level of the trade entry. The movement should be to the downside. Here is also accumulation zone. The price went down. Accumulation zone did play it out. The resistance zone. The price in both cases goes down, following the downtrend. Point out, guys, that all the positions were opened according to the trend directions, and in the last seconds, we're likely to see the breakdown, and all our positions should be closing profits. So let's just wait. As you can see, the breakdown has already happened. There is several seconds left before the climax, and the first position is on profit. Nice. And the third and second, 2. Hello. Okay, we're in the profits, guys. We got $6,000 and close to $300 on the balance. And I think we're gonna open 3 more trades to build on that what we earned. So to say, behavior of the market is really good today, easily predictable, and let's find another currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's open 3 long positions, last 3 long positions, and for example here according to the uptrend, let me select the workspace. So the correction here, the resistance zone played out. We see the correction. There is several seconds before the candle's closing. The correction should be over soon. Also should go to the upside following the trend direction, because there was a rebound from this level. This upper level played out and the price should go to the upside. So as you can see, breakdown is already happening. The local low has already formed if I get it correctly, and little breakout takes place here beside the level of the trade entry. So let's take a look at the price movement. I think the price should go up even further, and there are 7 seconds left. Let's just wait. I think the price, let's watch the price movement. Not the best trade entry, but we could have opened it lower, but still 3 positions have been closed with a profit. I hope you understood the principle, guys, of working by using technical analysis. I wish you get it. So keep in mind, this is the main tool for any trader. We are literally made good money with the help of basic things within several minutes. And note, I didn't mention any patterns and also technical analysis figures in the video. Just basic knowledge, guys, like accumulation zones, corrections, pullbacks, resistance, and support zones, and points of highs and lows, of course. That's it. Not a big deal at all. You couldn't see anything else in my trading session today. Let's withdraw the money. Let's put down $8,700. Gonna be fine to my BTC wallet, I guess. So press the continue. Transactions being processed, guys. I'll attach a screenshot, of course. Don't forget about Telegram, YouTube, likes, comments, and subscriptions, guys. Waiting for you in Telegram channel. There's a lot of good signals, strategies, and a good market. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.